Ever wondered how to safely watch a solar eclipse? Perhaps you've pondered on the magical phenomenon that is the celestial dance between the sun, moon, and earth. Well, the key to safely observing this spectacle lies in a simple yet ingenious invention: solar eclipse glasses. Today, we're going to explore how to create these glasses at home using materials approved by NASA. Before we dive in, remember, never look directly at the sun without proper eye protection. The sun's intense light can cause severe eye damage or even blindness. Solar eclipse glasses provide that necessary protection, filtering out harmful rays and allowing you to safely gaze at the eclipse. So how do you make these glasses at home? It's simpler than you might think. Here are the steps. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 sheets of white cardboard, aluminum foil, tape, and a pair of scissors. Next, cut out 2 identical rectangular pieces from the cardboard. These will form the main body of your glasses. After you have your cardboard pieces, cut a small square in the middle of each piece. These squares should be about the size of a postage stamp. Now it's time to bring in the aluminum foil. Cut out 2 pieces of foil slightly larger than the squares you've just cut in your cardboard. Then, tape 1 piece of foil over each square. Make sure it's securely attached with no gaps or loose edges. Once the foil is in place, use a pin to poke a tiny hole in the center of each foil square. This hole will act as your lens, allowing you to safely view the sun. Finally, hold the glasses up to your eyes with the foil side facing the sun. You should be able to see the sun through the tiny pinholes, safely filtered by the foil, and there you have it, your very own homemade solar eclipse glasses. In summary, to make solar eclipse glasses at home, you need to 1. Cut 2 identical rectangular pieces from white cardboard. 1. Cut a small square in the center of each cardboard piece. 1. Cover the squares with aluminum foil and secure with tape. 1. Poke a tiny hole in the center of each foil square. 1. Hold the glasses up to your eyes, foil side facing the sun to view the eclipse. Remember, safety is paramount. Never look directly at the sun without appropriate protection. Always use your homemade glasses with caution, ensuring the foil is securely attached and the pinholes are small. Creating solar eclipse glasses at home can be a fun and educational project, a perfect way to engage with the wonders of the cosmos. So the next time a solar eclipse is on the horizon, you'll be ready, glasses in hand, to witness the awe-inspiring dance of the celestial bodies.